And guys, maybe we can start. Nico, Dmitry, Maxim, Max, you are ready?
Yeah. Yep.
Guys, hi, glad to see you. Those who have joined it, each of you who have found the time. We haven't held a NAMA session for a long time, but now we have something to show you and tell you about which we are happy to do. We joined it in a larger number than before, and I ask you to welcome my colleagues, the project managers of their product. Dmitry will present Ubix.Pay and answer some questions related with partnerships. Nico will talk about the news on Solid Notary, Ubistake, and Max Gavrillian will summarize about CDR, Ubikiri, and crowdfunding. And Max Breus, our special guest, will talk about global plans for the development of our ecosystem, and we'll be happy to answer for relevant questions. I suggest starting with this one. The first, we will answer all the questions sent in advance, and some later, we will be happy to listen to a few more questions from you. I suggest starting. Let's get started. The first answer will be for Silent Notary. Nika, you are welcome. The first question for you is, what's new in Silent Notary? What you plan about Silent Notary?
Thank you, Rita. In Silent Notary, we were mainly busy preparing a user-friendly mobile version of the account and implementing a payment gateway with the ability to pay with credit card for notarization. That will help increase the number of users that are not related to crypto world.
Okay, thanks. And the next question, please provide a detailed update on the partners. Maybe it is question also for Dmitry, our business development and project manager. Dmitry, you're welcome.
Microphone, Dim.
I'm sorry, Dmitry, we not hear you. No. Your microphone was included, but maybe it is not here. Dmitry, no, we can hear you. I'm sorry, Dmitry will join to us again with comments.
Do you hear me now?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Thank
Oh,
Please provide
oh,
an update on the partners. Or
okay. Hello, everyone. Regarding partners, some of the partners we relied on took time to develop their own projects. Some of them just disappeared. Diamond Factory, for example, didn't get fundraising, and our cooperation will not continue further. We are still waiting for Acceleration Group, who are currently busy with developing and improving their own project. We are now negotiating with one crypto startup related to art and AI, and which will potentially use several of our products simultaneously, including Silent Notary, of course. We cannot announce the details yet. And one more, that we are talking with one crypto project regarding partnership, and the ball on their side.
okay, thank you, Dmitry, and we can go to the next question. Question about marketing from our user about promotion of Silent Notary, about marketing channels, instrument, and I will answer this question. Now, we thanks for your big question. As part of our work on Silent Notary, we are currently focusing on purchases of notarization, not only coin. And now we're working with Web2 auditory, and therefore all forces are directed towards this. A little later, we will plan a promotion for the coin itself. But at the moment, we want to increase the number of Web2 solid notary clients. It is maybe individuals, it is business clients. Maybe now this answer will hear like it. And we can go to the next question for solid notary also. Please provide an update on sound metric. Who is using it? Dmitry, maybe also for you.
Okay, do you hear me now? Yeah?
Yeah, all's good. Thank you.
Okay, nice. Now we are negotiating with one popular American music label and working on establishing new contacts in this sphere. It's like called find contacts. Along with that, a little bit in the future, the Rita will start a separate marketing campaign related to all this music sphere. It's a big sphere, and that's why we created a separate service based on Silent Notary in order to provide different musicians and other art people an ability to copyright their creations and protect them and use them in like document signing and so on. So we are working on it here.
Okay, thank you, Dmitry. And the next question for Nico also. It is a big question. I will read it. If I do search CoinMarketCap for category and select the dark category, a page appears with 11 token, in which is Ubix, but there is no UBSN. It is possible to insert it. Ubix also has other categories, while UBSN is virgin, also on CoinGecko. It is possible to add categories in both CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. It will be very important advertising for UBSN. Nico, you're welcome.
Thanks for the advice. We'll take a look and figure out how it is possible to do it.
Okay, so good. But now we can go to the next project for our new project. And the next question answers will be for Dmitry, project manager of UbikPay. The first question for you, Dmitry, what demand is there for this product?
You know, in the present world, with the amount of data and information is large enough, and the wallet address is difficult to remember, it's much easier to transfer funds via social identifiers than to copy and search the addresses of wallets. And this is the unique feature of Ubix.Pay. Along with that, Ubix.Pay provides user with without additional registrations an option to buy Ubix, to stake Ubix and other Ubix.Network tokens, participate in Ubix.Network project's dividend distribution, and trade on Ubix exchange, and all of that in just in a few clicks from one product.
Okay, very good. And the next question also for you, Dmitry, what is the purpose of holding Ubix in UbikPay?
In Ubix.Pay, you can engage with various activities with Ubix coins. This includes staking and receiving Ubix or any other Ubix ecosystem tokens, including those that are issued for tokens. And as I've said before, Ubix.Pay provides the ability to participate in staking.
Okay, and Dmitry, can you tell us about the key features of UbikPay? Can you tell about this more popular?
Okay, I already talked about it, but to summarize, Ubix.Pay is a non-custodial crypto wallet, allowing you to store assets run on Ubix and Ethereum networks, enabling you to link social identifiers like Telegram, Twitter, and email directly to your Ubix wallet with the seamless integration to Ubix.Stake and Ubix Exchange.
Okay, and maybe, maybe we will add more blockchains, Polygon, BSK, XRP, on UbikPay in the near future?
Look, we are discussing the implementing more blockchain networks to Ubik space with further service development. It's not the priority now. We have many things to do and improve. Anyway, you can support the service by holding UBWF token, which in addition to bringing your portion of project's profit on a regular basis, will be a contribution to overall development of the project.
Okay, and the next interesting question for you, maybe UbiPay will plan to be used as mobile pay in the future and like scan with QR code and get to pay with Ubix by QR code. Maybe you can talk about new function of our wallet. It is did function with payment by social media comments. Maybe you can tell about this.
The point that the person asks, it shows Ubix Pay like as a payment system. We are currently committed to developing new features and improving the overall usability. It should be a convenient gateway to all Ubix ecosystem, so there is pretty much to do. But I will not cancel the fact that perhaps in the future we will come to full-fledged payment system. One of the coolest and the most unique features we will add in next update is transferring funds via DIDs to anyone who has not created a wallet or does not have Ubikiri account at all before. So you will have the ability to send Ubix to any person you like, just knowing his social identifier. Along with that, we will add CDR functionality to the wallet. I know that many of you want to send your Ubix from external exchanges, and it will be very comfortable and convenient just to send to your Ethereum generated address by UbixPay your Ubix from external exchanges, and then you will click a button and convert ERC20 to native Ubix protocol and can stake them or do anything you want. Besides, we will make several improvements and history, like history filtering, more user-friendly notifications, and moreover, we will release Ubix Pay in Telegram with full design and functionality.
Thanks, Dmitry. It is the biggest product of our ecosystem, and maybe it is not only great, it is very good for all us, for our users also. And the next question for you, like Smilo, why did the business purposely wait for UbiPay to be finished before launching a marketing campaign?
That's for you, Rita.
Yes, this is a question for me. Currently, UbiPay has been launched and marketing has started at now. We already acquired new users of UbiPay. But now it is true by performance channels, by Facebook, ADC, and more instruments like bloggers, Telegram, and YouTube. And the marketing will go on further because it's the main project now. It's like gateway to all Ubix ecosystem, and from this moment, also we will promotion Ubix, we will communication with new exchange, and about this I will talk some later on the next question.
Short question, yeah.
Yes. But now I want to go to the next our product crowdfunding, and for answering to these questions will help Max Gavrilin. Maxim, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Thanks. For crowdfunding, we have only one question. I'm go to the first question. Why the sudden reduction in the price of the task?
The cost has decreased and the UBX rate has increased. Nevertheless, we have repaid the previously stated cost for currently test.
Okay, thank you. Only one question about crowdfunding, and that now we will go to the Ubikiri product. Question for Ubikiri and also for Max Gavrilin. Will Ubikiri interface please be updated and make it more like the network color, bluish white? It's look old and it's not user friendly.
Yes, we are currently formulating the teams of reference for updating the Ubikiri interface.
Okay, thanks. Thank you.
I can add that Ubikiri is supposed to be like a big social network for businesses where they will use all our projects in one place. For example, you can create company there. You can issue token with the help of 4 tokens. You can distribute your profits using Ubistake and so on. And we want to put all these things to Ubikiri. It will be rebranded. I don't know the exact time. We are discussing how it is supposed to be. Maybe Max. Hello, Max. We can hear you and we
Nice to
can
see you.
see you as well. And if you want to add something about Ubikiri rebranding, you are welcome.
No. Please continue. I will add
Okay.
some new interesting things a bit later. Just a moment.
Okay. And that's our product with only one question. It is Ubix Exchange, and with answer we have Dmitry. The question: what status of Ubix Exchange and its dividends? It's been used to buy and sell crypto, but why it's not paying dividends regularly? It's has before, even it's just a small amount. Dmitry, question for you.
Well, regarding this, we do not have strict regulations how to pay those dividends generated by Ubix Exchange. Now, the usage of exchange is not so big. When it will be developing and expanding, the regularity of dividends paid will be more oftenly. Now, all the dividends, I can say that they will be paid, and the amount is accumulated on a special address, and we will do it not just once a week, for example. It's like once a quarter or half of a year, something like that. And the dividends are based on commissions, of course.
Okay, thanks, Dmitry. And the next question will be about marketing. These are lovely questions. The first question for me, please advise what top tier exchanges we will be listed UBSN or Ubix on next 3 months, and how serious you are ensuring this occurs. And now we communicate with all exchanges from top 30 rating, and with complexly marketing, we will listings on maybe March, maybe it will be April, but will be first or second quarter. Maybe Max Bruce, you can add something else for us about new listings and maybe new perspective for Ubix. Max?
Rita, income, could you repeat, please? There was no sound for a few seconds. Could you repeat the question, please?
Question, please advise what top tier exchanges will be listed with UBSN or Ubix on next month. I was talking about Ubix with working exchanges for Ubix. Maybe you add some information about this. Maybe you can talk about it with our users for the summer.
It's standard question about listings. We have standard answer about official announcements, but today I can say one more interesting thing, that with starting of marketing campaign, it's time for listing campaign as well. So we have now a work group in our team which focused only on listings, and we have a quite clear plan. There will be different exchanges, not only, of course, we are focused on the biggest one, but we have some other exchanges which could be interested because they are widely used on some specific markets, like in Asia, in Middle East, and so on. So we have. I don't think I'm quite sure that there will be some official announcements, and we just need to wait. But we have finally. I'm really happy to tell them that we have a listing campaign and it started. We were waiting for a long time because it was very important to start it with marketing campaign. It should be synchronized and it should be started at the same time. Because one of the most important things for exchanges is the marketing, is our visibility, our activity on the market, and now it's time for listings. So it's quite active process now. So and Rita, you're in this team in one group. So when you will prepare some official announcements, please share. Okay.
Yes, thank you, Matt. And I will go to the next question also for me about marketing. Please discuss in detail and the 1-year marketing strategy and action plan for Ubix ecosystem and how intend to increase market awareness and adoption. Now I have answered this question more than once in chats, in our main chats, describing both promotion and goals plans for the next year. Maybe it is will like that. It is 2 or 3 new listings and 3 or 5 new partnerships with Dmitry also, with help of Dmitry. More than 30 publication on Blogger X and on the mass media with new articles, new information articles, and I can only share tools. Marketing strategy plan, it is internal commercial information, and according to Silent Notary, we also currently focusing on promoting online notarization, so performance channels. We plan to make the site more adaptive. And about tools, marketing tools, I also will tell on the next question. What exactly does the international global marketing campaign include, and how long will the marketing strategy run for? And again, marketing strategy includes global marketing channels, budgets, price of registration, price of active user, and more information. And from the global business goals, we build marketing strategy, connect with the marketing channels and other methods. Also, it is bloggers, it is mass media channels, it is performance channels, it is social media, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, and maybe programmatic tools also. It is tools working with our global market business strategy. It is, maybe I'll talk about this, it is internal commercial information, and these tools we will use in our marketing campaigns. Also, I will talk about this and wasn't talk about this in our chats. And we will start with it now. From this week, with two video from bloggers, they prepared and yeah, many articles, many performance components, and many else. And now we will talk about Ubix ecosystem with helping of marketers and with me also. The first question for Ubix ecosystem: it is possible to update the roadmap. The current owner still from goodbye on those. Yeah, we will setting of roadmap with our managers maybe on this week. Yes, it is our main goal now, and we will correct it. The next question, you are providing overview on how each service will interact with other Ubix services, and how they will support growth and adoption of the Ubix ecosystem. Max, you're welcome again.
Actually, it's just one of the main goals, not to develop some kind of we are looking for ideas and services which will contribute to each other. For example, one service issue tokens, another one uses tokens for staking, another one you can use for trading, and so on. So we are looking for solutions which will make a complex service to solve not only one problem, but which will be useful to create some simple business and to adopt to use crypto in different projects. So, for example, using a Ubix Pay, you can use your social media account to accept payments, to issue tokens. Not now, but a bit later. This may be just I tell some future goals, but now you can use it to accept payments. Now you can use it to issue tokens, to use it in your audience, in your business, for promo, for payments, for different things which you can use tokens, not like just not just like payments, but just for different for thousands of different different activities. So so all our projects use one or several another project from our ecosystem. For example, if you issue tokens using for token service, tokenization service, you immediately can trade them on our internal exchange without any routine, without any listing procedures, without anything. Just in one click, with no code, with just it's extremely simple. If you will try to do it the same using standard way, it will be just a crazy and difficult way to not only to create to issue token. It's not so difficult to, actually, if you can use Solidity, for example, on Ethereum network. But if you will try to trade, to list it on any exchange, it will be just a nightmare, because we know we are several years on this market and it's not easy at all. So now we have several services which are really convenient to use, and we spent a lot of time to make all our services stable. So guys who joined us 1, maybe 2 years ago, they remember how there was a lot of problems with stable work of all our services. Not only about network. I mean, for example, our identity service, our Ubikiri super application system, and there was a lot of things we solved. A lot of problems, and now it's much more stable than before. So everything is ready for commercial use. So that's why Silent Notary now is promoting like a service for people, not only for guys who's interested in crypto projects, but just for people who don't know anything about crypto, and they will not even know what is under what's inside the box, inside this project, that there are some transactions and so on. They just pay by their bank card for service, for notarization, and that's it. It's not for 1% of all population who involved somehow in crypto. It's for wide market use. So answering question about future development is it's not only new projects, but we are focused not only on development, but on real use of our current projects now. So it's time for classic marketing, for classic, not in crypto world, on classic markets, and we will see. We already see results. We have very good metrics, and have new clients, new users, and now it's time to scale up everything we prepared before. So I see quite bright future for all ecosystem, because every project will utilize some other from our ecosystem, and when we promote one of them, we promote not maybe all ecosystem, but several others as well. For example, we have. I hope we will start a new service for silent notary quite soon. I will not share any additional information, but we have a few clients who already want to use it. So when we will start it, we will use silent notary. Silent notary use our main protocol, and it will be very useful for all our network, and utilizing silent notary consilium, it will increase the usability of Ubik, because holders of silent notary tokens, they will receive their shares of fees from main service, and so on. So I think it's very interesting model we found and we developed, and now it's time to implement it and to promote it and to add real life adoption to all our services. So it's just a short answer on the question. Sorry for
Thank you, Max.
answer.
Thanks, Max, for such a detailed answer for this question. And it was the last question from our users. Maybe who have any question, you can write it in main chat on this minute or to next minute. And like mini conclusion from me, we're glad that you are with us, and also want to thank you for your kind positive comments. Maybe we will try to do AMA sessions for you every quarter. Follow our news in our official groups, and if you have any question, like I tell 1 minute ago, you can write it to the main channel. Colleagues, maybe 1-2 wait. We'll have any question from our users, and maybe for 1 or 2 questions we will answer in on the summer. Okay. Okay. So very good. But now we haven't a question on our main channel, and maybe we can end our translation. But user M want to talking with us. Guys, you're ready?
Okay, let him speak, of course.
User M, you can
unmute.
Talking without, but you muted now. Yes. Please tap to the microphone point on your phone, and after that you can talk. But we not hear you again.
You should unmute you.
Yes, I'm
using the microphone icon.
Maybe it is function of Telegram, but now I ask you write your questions at now in Ubix.Network channel. If you have any questions for our class, and we will talk about it at now. Brian also write on the main chat. Any answer? Maybe we can answer for question of our colleague. Yeah, we have news on KuCoin tokens. Will they be burned? Maybe I have it. It was burned, but now coin from KuCoin we haven't new information. This actually this will be burned now. This all which we know. Any updates on Polygraph partner? Question for Dmitry. From
no updates from Polygraph partner. Jakub is busy in developing his Polygraph functionality, and we still didn't hear from him when we can connect to all this process and integrate our service in his business process. If something changes, we'll surely let you know. Thank you for your question.
Thank you, user M. Now we haven't new question. Maybe all new question we will write. We have now new question. How is the music partnership? Will all details be released soon? About sound metric also for Nico and
Brian, just a few days I got a message from a person who is trying to connect us with this music label, American music label, and he told me that he's handling this question, and we should wait a little bit more. So I hope it will be released soon.
Okay. Does it relate to sound metric?
Yeah, that is regarding sound metric partnerships.
Yes. And the next question from Tomaso Euros. I only listened half on the AMA. Did anyone ask about new exchanges? I will create a record of this AMA and transcription of this AMA, and we will send it. But yes, it is
Brian,
answer. Yes,
we talked about it earlier, and regarding new exchanges listings, and Max told about that, and Rita explained what is happening, and Diamond Company as well, and you will see in transcription form of Emma. I think you was a little bit late.
It is big cooperation, potential big cooperation for us, for Silent Notary also. And about new exchanges, yes, we communicate with new exchanges, top 30 of rating, of world rating exchanges, and it will be with send you with a record of our AMA session. Ryan also writing on our main channel. I think Max Breu's very detailed answered by him question. It was very informational. Maybe for me, for our colleagues, for us. Also have new question. Do we have many more partnership yet or in talks with silent notary specifically? Dmitry, also for you.
Yeah, I talked about that. That we are currently negotiation with the crypto startup related to art and AI, and they perhaps and we will be very glad if they will use several of our services simultaneously, and Silent Notary is one of them. And there is more one crypto project to be partners. We created a working group with them. Now we are waiting for them to post all the information regarding partnership. Then we can announce it as well. Waiting for this person. Rita asked him just one or 2 days ago, but he's not on Telegram right now, as I see.
Okay. Yeah, and maybe one question for you from me. I like a session on Telegram format. Do you like it? It is good for you. You can write about it on our main chat also. But we have a new question from our colleague. What about the notarizing the diplomas that were spoken about maybe 1 year ago? University diplomas, I believe. It is question from our colleague Brian.
As far as I know, the diplomas regarding this area, we wanted to create some instance for a separate website, and we created a functionality for all that, the construction of forms, the creating of registers, and we are on the finishing line. When all this will be developed, we can work in this area as well. We can try to get more partnership, not more, but partnerships in this area.
Okay, thanks, Dmitry. I haven't a question, but user M also, you sent question for me, but can you disclose the name of what influencers we have partnered with for marketing? Or maybe 30, 40 influencers which talking with us, and it is crypto retro account. It is many Twitter influencers. I will send name of these influencers on main chat some later when we will approve of our text of our video for marketing campaign from there. I will send, maybe it is will be accounts with 200 maybe many thousand. Yes, maybe it will be accounts with 1000 users.
I saw a few of them. They are really big.
Yes, it is a very big accounts. Also, we communicate with YouTube bloggers. It is also so big bloggers, and on the next week or some later, they will post our video about Ubix Pay and about Ubix and about purpose of Ubix ecosystem in main. And the next question, M. For Nico, can we send files like picture and PDF files via support chat, please? I know you're working on it. Will be great when implemented, and most of our live chat tools require a picture or PDF to help the user. Also, any more cool ideas for live chat coming soon? It is sorry, it is about a new question for our users. Dmitry,
Okay, I can handle this question, Brian. Yeah, sure. We will add the support of pictures sending and PDF sending. That will be much easier for you to create issues and handle them and so on. But at first, Nika said that we should implement Ubik and then other services. We are waiting for user token updates right now. That will the users that will have ability to issue token by 4 tokens and to use our dividend distribution mechanism via Ubik. That is the priority task, and then we can continue with support chat, adding pictures and so on.
Okay, thank you, Dmitry, and like Brian, I will talk also any more cool ideas for live chat coming soon. Maybe you have cool ideas for the next AMA about new format. It is was our experimental AMA on Telegram channel. Maybe you have new ideas. Maybe you have. Apologize. We will glad to hear you about it on the main chat. Also, some of our users writing in our main chat that now maybe we get new question from us guys. Maybe we will wait 1-2 minutes, and if you haven't any question for the next question, we will answer by chat. User Emma Brian, again, typing.
The most active.
Most active users from our AMA. Maybe we will send a prize for our active users. It is idea for the next AMA, maybe.
Yeah.
The next question, will there ever be an app in the future we can spend or use the ecosystem tokens for purchasing? Like used to pay for coffee via Ubik app and it automatically converts Ubik to USD or GBP to pay via your phone. Wow, it is a good question, but if we will in Georgia, Georgia very like crypto and you can buy maybe coffee, maybe
with crypto, yeah.
other products you can eat on the restaurant and pay it by crypto. And many crypto exchanges maybe have in the Georgia. And about Ubik, I don't know, but Dmitry, colleagues, team, Nico, maybe you have some idea about this. But
yeah,
they will
Brian.
with it. Yes.
The point Brian talking is about like creating a payment system, the whole payment system. It's connected and related, I think, with Ubix.Pay, but we have and plans to implement several features there before this payment system. I will not cancel the fact that perhaps in the future we will come to a full-fledged payment system, but now we have plenty of cool things to do next updates. As I think you missed, we will add a feature like transferring funds via DIDs to anyone who has not created a wallet or Ubikiri account, to any person. You should know his DID, and that's all. And you should create your DID, and you can send any person via any messenger or like SMS, like Instagram or any other. And I know that you were asking about CDR included to Ubix Pay, yes, it will be implemented as well. We will add the ability to swap or bridge Ubix ERC20 token coins into Ubix native coins. That will be added to Ubix Pay functionality as well. No, you can use CDR as well. Mm-hmm.
Yes, CDR not be replaced by UBPay. CDR will be connected with UBPay with all.
Without CDR, we cannot do this. Mm-hmm.
Well,
but you will not see the process like it is used now.
And the next question for Ubikiri project: will Ubikiri be getting a new design soon? Yes, his colleague, Maxim Gavrilin, we will talking about it on the next week with our new designer. We'll create new design of our products, which will be and Ubikiri. It will be a new design for UBPay because it is. Release it like beta version, and for the next product maybe for design will be Ubix side of Ubix.Network.
Notary site as well.
Yes, maybe. But now we will actively promotion our products. It will be at now silent notary like Web2 auditory, and it is will be UBPay weeks with Ubix and with new listings for Ubix also. On the maybe top exchange, maybe not top, but top 30 exchange on the world rating, and message from Brian: can the team tweet more and join the chats more? Yeah. The next question also for CDR and UBPay integration. Will CDR be integrated in UBPay? No. Dmitry will talk about it a few minutes ago.
I already answered. Yeah.
Projects.
Yes, CDR will be integrated in Ubix Pay. Yes, of course. It will be integrated like swap function or bridge function. We name it like that. And you can, for example, you bought your Ubix on external exchange, like Max or any other, and you know that your Ubix there are on Ethereum network, ERC20 type of token. And if you want, for example, to stake them or to manage them using Ubix Pay, you should go to a separate site like CDR, an order there, and so on. That has plenty of moves. And in Ubix Pay, we want to decrease the quantity of moves you do. Usual things. So you will have the ability to send your Ubix to your Ethereum address in Ubix Pay. Yeah, you have their Ethereum address. Your Ubix directly will come from exchange, external exchange like Max, and then you will have just one click to bridge your Ubix to native chain. And then you can stake them or trade them on Ubix Exchange or whatever you like.
Yeah, okay. And Ramon will comment your answer about implementation of bridge to different chains in CDR. Oh, it's very good, but it now working with ERC20 with the Ethereum.
Maybe in some future, Ramon,
Yes, maybe some future, but not on Q1, Q2, Q2 was. The next question about Ubix Exchange. The Ubix Exchange are there plans to also improve the time zone? Yes. We work it with Ubix Exchange site, and we will go again because it is not real now many with UBPay and with Silent Notary also, and with Ubix.Network site. With Ubix Wiki blog, with new blogs, with our research, with blog section also, and more things. Can Maxim give me a smile? Maxim, give a smile, please. So cute. Okay, guys. Market cap prediction for Ubik. It is a question from user. Cheeky question. Yes, it's a cheeky question.
Yeah, Clover already answered your question.
Yes.
I saw yesterday in the main chat group.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Also joking.
Okay, I think we can.
We can end our translation
We
because
can finish. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you for activity, for your kind comments, for your clever questions, and maybe on Q2 quarter we will get answer again for your question with you our AMA session. It will be maybe on April, maybe on May.
Thank you, Rita. Thank you, guys, for your questions. As we said before, we will show new roadmaps soon. I think it will be next week or in the end this week. Yeah, for all products, what we are going to do, what we are going to implement. So stay with us. It will be interesting this year. I think will be very interesting year.
Yes,
Thank
but
you.
I hope this AMA more like for you than AMA on YouTube channel. And for me, this will be a very grateful opportunity for communication with you. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank
Maxim.
you, guys. Thank you all.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Max. Thank you, Nico.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.